Hey, welcome to week 6. So we are almost done with this workbook that we've been doing. I know you think it's a lot, and it kind of is. This week, a little less. It's only step 12. Step 12, I'm asking you to, it's asking you to answer some questions about what you've learned and what you need to learn and where you're at and all of that. Not particularly hard. But it's starting to, we've got about a week, maybe 2 weeks, for when your actual feasibility study needs to be turned in. And so you've been writing it in individual portions after you've done the worksheets. The worksheet's forcing you to ask yourself questions you might not have asked before. And then converting all of that into words and writing down in documents that ultimately are professional in nature should a loan officer want to see a feasibility study, which can be asked of you if you're reaching out for funding. This week is just step 12. Next week, we're going to start pulling things together. All of the things that you've turned in so far. If I have given you feedback, it's in your grade book. And a lot of times I give feedback that it changed this, fix this, I would do this instead, that kind of stuff. So go back and see any feedback that I've given you, and don't resubmit the work unless I said resubmit this to me. But if I said change something, fix something, whatever, go ahead and fix it, save it in the document that you created it in, and then hold it until it's time to put together the feasibility study and turn that in. Because that's what the point is of the feedback. The feedback is specifically for you to fix it and make it better. That way you get a higher grade when you turn in your feasibility study in a couple of weeks. So this week, just step 12. I'm also giving you a link to read basically just the difference of a feasibility study and a business plan itself. I've also put in a note about some things, expectations. Other than that, though, should be a lot less stressful week for you in this class. But I'm wanting you to go back and you check out the feedback that I've sent you on your written assignments. That way, if you have things to change or edit, you go ahead and get started doing all of that. Next week, we're going to pull it all together, and then the week after, I think, is when the whole study itself is due, and I'll give you more information about that. So enjoy your week, and email me if you need me, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.